Hey, my name is Coach Amber George, and I am so glad that you are here and that you are looking at my Quick and Easy Eats e-cookbook. I am so excited to be able to share family recipes with you, and actually a few recipes from some of my clients that they have shared with me and said, hey, put it in your cookbook if you would like to. These are family recipes that I have taken and I've either updated them to make them a little bit healthier, or they are the way they've been for years and years down our family line. In this cookbook, you will have a plethora of different breakfast recipes, dinner recipes, side dishes, snacks, different things like that. All of these are things that can be thrown together in 30 minutes or less. They can be prepped ahead, however you want to do it, or cooked fresh. So there's also bonus pages where you will be able to learn how to figure out your own personal calorie count, because nobody is the same, nobody is eating the same, and you will get the best results if you eat what works for your body. That is the goal of this cookbook, is to be able to help you reach your goals by eating some amazing, wonderful, healthy food. Healthy eating does not have to be boring. It is not tasteless. It is so yummy. So it'll teach you how to count your calories. You can figure up your own target calorie count for if you want to lose weight, maintain weight, or even gain muscle and strength and get nice and strong. So if you have any questions at all, please do not hesitate to reach out to me at amber@coachambergeorge.com, and I will be happy to answer you. Now, if you are watching this video before April 1st on this page, before April 1st of 2020, you are pre-ordering this cookbook. The cookbook will be published on April 1st of 2020. So remember, when you purchase, if you purchase before that day, you're just buying the pre-sale, like, hey, send this to me as soon as it's published. And on April 1st, I will send it out to all of my pre-orders. Anyway, I am so happy that you are looking at it. If you have any questions, again, send me an email at amber@coachambergeorge.com, and I hope to see you around the blog and on my YouTube channel moving forward.